Well, so here we go. Nintendo finally announces a thing about the successor to the Switch. But you're going to have to wait. Of course you're going to have to. Because why? Because Nintendo. Let's take a look at this article from, believe it or not, Variety. I'm trying to broaden my horizons here. Have different opinions, or see different writers and opinions than the standard sites that I kind of go to. But hey, let's check it out. And if you like this kind of stuff, please like the video, make a comment. I appreciate you guys. Let's take a look at this from Variety. Variety News. Nintendo to announce Switch successor console by March 2025. Boy, man. So what does that mean? You're going to have to wait. Also, I feel as though there's a good chance that we're not going to see, maybe if we get lucky, maybe an internal IP announcement for something. What if they do like a Star Fox game? Or just redo Star Fox Zero without the horrendous controls. I really try. I actually like Star Fox Zero, but man, those controls were abysmal. Abysmal. So bad that I couldn't even... I beat the game once. I tried to beat it again. They were so bad, I couldn't beat the last boss. But I digress. Nintendo will make a formal announcement about its next gaming console, the follow-up to the 8-year-old Nintendo Switch, by the end of March 2025. Wow. You have to wait, folks. The company revealed this plan in a post on X Tuesday, just as it unveiled its latest earnings results and a weak outlook for its new fiscal year of 2025. Well, yeah. I mean, kind of like, it's about time. I mean, listen, I love my Nintendo Switch. I play the heck out of that thing. But remember, I've said this in my podcast, Ready to Start podcast with the red bandana. The hardware itself, when Nintendo Switch came out, was already like 3 years old. So, okay, the console released, it's 8 years old, but the hardware is like 11 years old. It's old. Kind of like me. But per statement from Nintendo account, from the Nintendo account, which was attributed to Nintendo President Shuntaro Furukawa. Let's see what he has to say. We have it right here. Excuse me. This is Furukawa, President of Nintendo. We will make an announcement about the successor to Nintendo Switch within this fiscal year. It will have been over 9 years since we announced the existence of Nintendo Switch back in March 2015. We will be holding a Nintendo Direct this June regarding the Nintendo Switch software lineup for the latter half of 2024. But please be aware that there will be no mention of the Nintendo Switch successor during that presentation. Yeah. See, that's why when these presentations and everything go up on YouTube and everything, the comments are just horrendous. I take the chat, I shut the chat off. You'll live longer. So Nintendo's fiscal year runs from April to March, meaning the Japan-based company is promising to announce the Switch successor by end of March 2025. That's insightful. I appreciate that, Variety. Nintendo says it will not be providing any information about the new console at its Nintendo Direct event in June, instead choosing to focus that presentation on Switch games coming throughout the rest of 2024. I haven't been super impressed with some of these games that on their lineups at their presentations. Lots of RPGs, but Switch has always been kind of known for that. Some of these RPGs actually look really good, but some of these other games kind of I can just get for $3 on Steam. But in its earnings results Tuesday, which covered the company's results through the end of the fiscal year of 2024 in March, Nintendo said it sold 15.7 million Switch consoles between April 2023 and March 2024. I mean, that's insane. I mean, the fact that they're still selling that many units is crazy, right? So you have to ask yourself, then why would they start? They're still making a lot of sales. I mean, come on. Mario Kart 8 is still like full price. And that game came out during the Wii U. I mean, they are just the kings at milking their IPs and their systems. They know, but they know what they're doing. That's why they know what they're doing. I've drank the Nintendo Kool-Aid. Per the company, its sales reached 1.7 trillion yen for the year. But what is 1.7 trillion yen converted to? Do we know? Let's figure out. 1.7 trillion yen to USD. 1.7 trillion yen to USD. Am I reading this right? 10,949,700,000 dollars. That is a lot of coin. That is an insane amount of money. Up 4.4% year over year, and net profit totaled 490.6 billion yen, rising 13.4%. Both results bested analysis estimates per consensus data from LSEG. Yowzers. For the current fiscal year, Nintendo is forecasting selling 13.5 million Switch consoles, down considerably from its fiscal 2024 total. Nintendo estimates net sales of 1.35 trillion yen and a net profit of 300 billion yen. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, we're talking. This is some heavy coin here. That's absolutely insane. Have you been? Listen, we're not surprised that they're not that they have to announce something, right? 2025. Then I think it's pretty solid that we're going to be looking at a new Switch console end of next year, holiday season, for sure. I mean, sign me up. Is it going to be called the Switch 2? Who knows? But gosh, are they really ringing in the money here on this? This is absolutely insane. What do you guys think? Like, are we gonna get at least like one fresh new IP out this year at all? I don't think so. I think it's going to be a slew of a bunch of third-party games. If we're lucky, maybe their first-party IPs will have some DLC. I don't know. I'm not very optimistic. I know Nintendo likes to port their games over, so I'm definitely going to say launch game for the new Switch next year will probably be a better running Tears of the Kingdom. It better be cross compatible. We better be able to take our regular Switch games and put it in there. But we know how Nintendo likes what Nintendo likes to do with that stuff, right? They just like you to keep rebuying all of their games over and over again. I don't know. There's a lot of directions that they can go here, but I think there's some obvious ones. What do you guys think? Down in the comments, are you gonna buy? I'll day one a new Switch console, a new Nintendo console. It's a day one for me. What do you guys think? Let's know down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. If you want more of this content, I've been on a hiatus to take care of some things, but I'm here, and that's some news. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll talk to you soon.